Bye.
Maybe if we get in first place, we can go first person. How about that? And then
Welcome
goes
to my
everybody
family.
shaking into the
James,
fan.
it's
Oh my
tips
God.
and tricks about getting
Shit, get out of the way.
to
No.
do stuff.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Almost lost my
Scared,
phone
like,
there.
one hit's gonna mess me up now.
Well, you see,
Man, this thing is
perfect.
slow as shit. This is about
You have
the
to have
top speed
California
right here,
Kid
60
for
miles
this.
an
And
hour.
most trucks I have can't do backflips.
Oh no! Oh, one of these stupid
Well,
fucks back there, bro. Thanks a lot, dude. Alright,
well,
here
I'm
we go.
back,
Try
ready
it
to
again.
go back to action.
Into the fucking
Wrong
audience
place, I
again.
think.
Thank you.
Yeah, wrong
Watch,
place.
they're gonna do it right here.
Well, one second. I'll show you a trick you might not
This guy made
on
live.
Monster Truck Destruction.
Oh, no.
See this level? I forget what it is. I paused
Still happened in this
the
game.
recording,
Still
so you didn't
stuck
know
in
what
each other.
level it was, because I thought it was backflip for you.
Filming a
But
run.
if you ever see something like this on a level, you could do
Take us to
that.
victory, bitch.
Just run around like this. You could do donuts and stuff. If you get bored out here,
Alright, this is my life.
here,
Oh,
I believe I can
that was
fly.
beautiful. That kid not, he slingshotted me.
Yay! Back up. Now I'll have to stop it again to show you which map this is. Welcome back. It's level 16. So if you want to do a great backflip, get California Kid.
Maybe 3 laps with 3 checkpoints.
You know you're going to have to wait a while because he's a lot of money. So let's show what he can do. Find a backflip ramp.
Let's push it. Come on.
Ooh, there's some backflip ramps. Jump over that.
Barely.
Run!
Oh no, shit.
Backflip!
We're good. Alright, cool. Yeah,
Oh,
it's more
crap.
immersive. I can immersively be in last place. Why did I go back to checkpoint?
1 sec.
Oh, okay.
No, no
I'm at
wonder.
6, 3 laps,
You.
and 5, and then there's 9 check. Okay. I feel stupid. I'm slowly but surely losing the ability
Okay.
to turn. So
That's all I have for now, I
a little bit
think.
alarming.
Yeah.
I have to, like,
So
turn to
bye-bye.
get into a turn.